Have you ever posted a video, watched it for a few minutes, and then checked back later only to see almost no views? You improve your content. You edit better. You follow trends. Still nothing. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your videos aren't failing because of content. They're failing because people stop watching. And the moment they scroll away, the algorithm stops pushing. No retention means no reach. No reach means no traffic. No traffic means no sales. That's the silent killer. I learned this the hard way. After launching multiple products and testing hundreds of videos, I noticed something strange. Average videos were going viral. Perfectly edited videos were dying. Why? Because viral videos weren't better. They were engineered. Engineered to grab attention in the first 3 seconds. Engineered to reset attention every few seconds. Engineered to keep dopamine high. That's when we built something different. Not another video editor. Not another caption tool. But the first AI built for retention engineering. Introducing ViralMotion AI. Here's what it does. You upload any boring video. It instantly scans your content and detects where viewers drop off. Then it automatically injects high-impact neural hooks, pattern interrupts, dynamic captions, smart B-roll, exactly where attention fades. So instead of guessing what might go viral, you're optimizing for retention before you post. And once retention increases, the algorithm does the rest. More watch time, more reach, more followers, more clicks, more sales. No editing skills needed, no expensive tools, no paid ads required. Just upload, optimize, post. That's it. While most creators are still hoping something works, early adopters are engineering viral traffic on demand. And right now, almost nobody is doing this properly, which means the opportunity is wide open. So the real question is, will you keep posting and hoping, or will you start engineering videos that get pushed? Click below. Get instant access to ViralMotion AI and turn every video into a high-retention traffic asset starting today.